Here we have the railroad crossing on Londonderry Turnpike in Hooksett, New Hampshire. Now this railroad crossing is interesting, I guess. That's a Western Colin Hayes signal base, Western Colin Hayes gate mechanism, and what appears to be used to be a pedestrian gate here. I don't know what they were used for. There's WRS brackets, some Western Colin Hayes 8-inch lights, and up there we got a Federal Signal mechanical bell. That's pretty cool. The other side of it. Oh, that's just like the back view of the signal. I don't know what the gate lights are, but they look like NEGs. Those are NEG gate lights. Has all 8-inch lights. There's a small signal over here which has even more 8-inch lights. Appears to be a clamp style base here. The emergency ENS information. More 8-inch lights, which appears to be a Western Colin Hayes right here. And what appears to be a Federal Signals 8-inch light right here. Some more Western Colin Hayes up there. This is the track view facing north towards the bridge, and this is the track view facing south towards Bow. Let me just cross the tracks here. There's another side signal here. Oh yeah, the brackets over there are WRS and then GRS bracket there. So GRS bracket here. Appears these are all the Western Colin Hayes. These three are Western Colin Hayes. Is that one right there? Is the Federal Signal FS Federal Signal 8-inch light. I'm pretty sure the ones in back here are Western Colin Hayes. Yep, that's a Western Colin Hayes, and that is also a Western Colin Hayes. Here's another Western Colin Hayes gate back here. Western Colin Hayes base here. There's a Western Colin Hayes gate light here, and then an FS gate light. Then more FS gate lights here. Now, kind of see the views of the crossing. This is like the view of it. Looks pretty cool, but yeah, this is the railroad crossing on Londonderry Turnpike in and out.